students. Welcome back to Brilliant Accountancy. Here I'm with the analysis of 12th Business Studies Term 2 sample paper. In Term 2 sample paper of Business Study, students, there will be 12 questions and time limit is same as 2 hours. Part A contain chapter staffing, directing and controlling. Total marks 20, number of questions 7, variety in questions 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 mark question will be there. And part 2, part B, financial management, financial market and consumer protection. Again, total marks from part B is 20, number of question 5 and there will be 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks question will be there. So, here is the section wise analysis students. So, we have 3 sections like A, B and C sections. Marks in A section, 2 marks question will be there. In B section, 3 marks question will be there. And in C section, 5 mark question will be there. So, from chapter staffing. Dear students, there will be 2 questions of 2 marks. There will be 2 questions of 2 marks and 1 question of 5 marks. So, total question is coming from chapter staffing is total number of questions will be 3. Total number of question will be 3 and total marks from the chapter staffing will be 9. So, write down total number of question will be 3 and total marks will be 9 students. So, be very careful students. So, total number of marks will be 9. Again students, from chapter directing. From chapter directing students, let us come to the chapter directing. From chapter directing, 3 mark question will be 2 or 1. There will be 2 questions of 3 marks or 1 question and there will be no 2 marks and 5 marks question from chapter directing. So, we have to prepare only 3 marks question from directing. So, total number of question either 2 or 1 is coming from directing. Total marks will be 6 students. And from controlling there will be 1 2 mark question. There will be 1 3 mark question. So, total question coming from controlling will be 2 question and total marks 5. So, total number of question coming 7. There will be 3 2 marks question, 3 3 marks question and 1 5 mark question from part A students. And total marks will be 20. Is it clear? So, students, now come to the part B. We will take first chapter financial management. So, from financial management, there will be no 2 mark question, but there will be 1 3 mark question and there will be 1 or 1. We can say there will be 1 or 1 5 mark question we can say, and or means here you are getting choice and here again you are getting choice students. Here you are again getting choice. So, there are 2 3 mark question in directing. There will be 1 choice for anyone. First 3 mark question can have choice, second 3 mark question can have choice. So, total 2 question and again in financial management there will be 1 5 mark question with a choice student. So, total 2 questions are coming from financial management. One is of 3 marks and one is of 5 marks and total 8 marks is coming from financial management. So, coming to next about the financial market. So, from financial market. So, financial market, as we all know that it's a very interesting chapter. So, from financial market students, 1 2 mark question is coming. 1 2 marks question is coming from financial market. So, there is 1 2 mark question is coming from financial market and and one 5-mark question is also coming. So from financial market, one question is of 2 marks and one question is of 5 marks. Total 2 questions are coming and total 7 marks out of 20. Part B is coming from financial market. And from consumer protection students, 1 or 1 means there is a choice. So one question of 5 marks is coming from consumer protection. So total 5 marks is coming from consumer protection out of 20. So students, total, if you see the grand total, we can see it like this. Marks, 2 marks question, number of question will be 4, 8 mark question, 8 marks, and 3 mark question. So total 4 questions are coming, total 12 marks, and 5 mark question, 4 questions of 5 marks are coming, and total 20 marks. So here 2, 3 and 5 mark questions. So total 12 questions are coming and total 12 questions of 40 marks. Let us do the chapter wise analysis, students. Let us see. From chapter staffing, students. So from chapter staffing, 2 sources of internal recruitment is asked, and they are asked indirect questions. So 2 marks indirect question is asked, can be asked from staffing, and they have given in sample question paper of business study, which is thrown by Cbse for 2022 term 2 exams. And from financial market, students, offer for sale case studies given of 2 marks. And from staffing, workload and workforce analysis question indirectly asked for 2 marks. And from controlling, students, controlling and its process measurement, dear students, I have told you process measurement of controlling indirectly जो है आपसे पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन ऑफ 2 मार्क्स. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पर आपके पास जो 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन है वो इस तरह से पूछे हैं, एंड देर इज वन केस स्टडी इन 2 मार्क्स, डियर स्टूडेंट, एंड दैट केस स्टडी इज फ्रॉम द चैप्टर फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट. ओके, सो केस स्टडी आपको जो है वो फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में से है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कम टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. सो हियर इट इज directing for 3 mark questions. So any two non-financial incentive is asked in 3 marks from chapter directing. And again from chapter directing, as I told you, 2 questions are coming. Importance of directing, any 3 points. So you have to explain direct question is asked. So 3 mark direct question, and there is a choice given in leadership, meaning and style. So there is a choice from the chapter directing. They are going to ask two questions of 3 marks, and they are giving choice in 1 question. Okay. So it's very good because they are asking it in a very direct way. So you need not to worry about this. But you have to prepare a question of case study from the chapter directing also. Okay. So financial management, it is also scoring, dear students. In financial management, directly they have asked 3 factors affecting working capital. They can ask 3 factors affecting fixed capital and requirement of company. So very nicely planned paper. So from financial management side, they are asking one direct question of 3 marks. And from controlling, importance of controlling, any 2. So here you have to explain the meaning of controlling as well as, but they have asked in a very indirect way. So here you have to think a little bit. 3 marks question. So students, we are going to get 3 marks question from directing, from financial management and controlling. So come to the consumer protections. So from consumer protection, only 5 mark question is coming. 5 mark question is coming from consumer protection, or there is a choice. Enumerate any 5 rights of consumer or responsibility. So very easy to prepare. Responsibility of a Consumer Protection Act 2019. And from financial market, directly they are asking a question, state 5 रेगुलेटरी फंक्शंस ऑफ सेबी। डेवलपमेंट्री फंक्शंस हैं, रेगुलेटरी फंक्शंस हैं आपके पास। तो जो आपके पास फंक्शंस हैं उनमें से आपके पास सिर्फ एक पूछा जाएगा। डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आपके पास है फाइनेंशियल मार्केट ऑफ 5, वेरी स्कोरिंग। एंड फ्रॉम स्टाफिंग स्टूडेंट्स they are asking a case study. From staffing they are asking a case study. So from staffing they are asking a case study in 5 marks. So you have to prepare case study from staffing also ऑफ 5 मार्क्स। और केस स्टडीज़ आपके पास ईजी होती हैं, डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं होती हैं। वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं, अगर आपको स्टाफिंग के बारे में 101% सभी चीज़ें पता हैं, उसमें क्या कंटेंट है, उसके रूल्स क्या हैं, ठीक है, तो उससे रिलेटेड केस स्टडी को जो है वो कोई डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल नहीं क्रिएट होता है, बहुत ईजी होती है और बहुत एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए नहीं जाना पड़ता है, टू द पॉइंट हमें आंसर करना होता है केस स्टडी में। और फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, सो देर इज चॉइस in 5 mark question. Direct question they are going to ask, either it can be of trade on equity or dividend or meaning or factor affecting. So ये डायरेक्ट आपके पास पूछा जाएगा। नटशेल में देखूं तो यहाँ पर देर इज अ इंटरनल चॉइस इन चैप्टर डायरेक्टिंग, 3 मार्क्स में एक इंटरनल चॉइस है। देर इज अ इंटरनल चॉइस इन फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट 5 मार्क्स में, एंड देर इज अ इंटरनल चॉइस अगेन इन 5 मार्क्स from the chapter consumer protection. So very balanced paper made by CBSE. CBSE ने आपको एक आइडिया दिया हुआ है कि वो किस तरह से पेपर प्लान किया है, और ये एनालिसिस जब हम करेंगे तो इस एनालिसिस को करके हम अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं कि हमें टर्म 2 के लिए किस तरह के क्वेश्चन को कहाँ से, कौन से चैप्टर से जो है वो प्रिपेयर करना है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच, होप यू विल लाइक इट। थैंक यू।